Good, y'all? Red's here. Today's soap review features Australian Private Reserve, Storybook Soapworks, Fresca, Intensa. This was a 2019 summer seasonal release collaboration by Storybook Soaps as well as APR. They've collaborated in the past and really like the collaboration model, specifically when international and US-based artisans get together and provide the wet shaving community with some pretty cool scents and interchanging bases and whatnot. Really makes it fun, and this pairing is quite nice, if you will. In order to purchase this, you can get them direct from the respective artisans' websites, and you can also find both of their products at maggotrazors.com. So Fresca Intensa is a Colonia style scent, which is well known for being a masculine, sophisticated take on citrus scents. As such, this features notes of cedar ant, neroli, lemon verbena, lime, lemon, patchouli, sandalwood, lavender, rhubarb, petitgrain, orange, bergamot, rosemary, rose, amber, white musk, ambergris, and vetiver. As you'd suspect, this fragrance was developed by AP Reserve. I think the length of the scent notes alone gives that away. As is in typical fashion with an AP Reserve scent, it's beautifully blended. Really nice take on Colonia style scents. Happens to be on the warmer side for late September here today, so this scent is perfect for today, if you will. Mrs. Reds approves of this scent for casual use. She doesn't find it as sexy as many people find Colonia style scents, but it's inoffensive enough to her that I can wear it around the house or out shopping or whatever. Scent strength on this is mid-strong out of the container and has remained mid-strong while lathering. And trythatsoap.com recommends Katie's Bubbles Confiant as a similar scent profile. So, as you suspect, since the fragrance was by AP Reserve, the soap base is by Storybook Soaps. They utilize a tallow-based soap that is soft to mid on the firmness spectrum. It's what I would consider a tallow soap of average thirst. It enjoys water but doesn't require a whole lot of water to really get it started and dialed in. When you do, however, get it dialed in, the consistency will resemble sour cream. It's got a medium to low structure to it and is quite dense, not airy in the least. Slickness of this soap is very good, both in terms of primary slickness as well as residual slickness. I'm easily moving this razor along with no fear of it skipping, jumping, or cutting me because of the slickness. And the post-shave on it is also very good. It's good enough that you can forego an aftershave product if you so choose. However, if you do happen to get this scent, I certainly would recommend you get the AP Reserve provided aftershave splash, as it will give you a wonderful post-shave and also give you a truer representation of the scent as intended by the collaborators here. I think you'll recall from previous reviews, Storybook Soapworks receives a ShaveScore of 88. And for similar performing soap bases, I suggest you check out purely Skinful or Stubble Buster. Really awesome dome shave today with the AP Reserve Storybook Soapworks collaborated scent Fresca Intensa. Last I checked, there's several sets of these still available, and I urge you to grab one before they're gone, because I don't believe they'll be back until next summer, or if ever. As always, thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. Comment below if you have anything to say. And if you're not already a subscriber, please become one. See ya.